guys, this is Devesh from 3D Vlogs. Today's topic is about loops in Python, so let's begin. As you all know, today's topic is loops in Python. We will start by learning types of loops. There are mainly two types of loops, for loop and while loop. Before learning more deeply about for loops and while loops, let me explain you what are loops. Loops are used to do something at a specific number of times in a program. It's simple as that. Now let us understand for loops. For loops are used to do multiple operations, but it's up to range. The number inside the range is 5. It will do the operation for 5 times. Here is an example for loops. For I in range 4, print 2 into I. It will print the even numbers from 0 to 6. That's simple as that. Now if we want to print the letters in a string in a sequence, for loop can do that. I have written a simple program for I in Devesh print I. It will print the letters from D to H in a sequence. We have learned that we use the range inside the for loop. For example, for I in range 10, print I means it will print the numbers from 0 to 9. Now what if we want to print from 1 and end at 10? We can do that in for loop. To do that, we must put another statement inside the range. The first number refers to the starting point and the second number refers to the ending point. For example, for I in range 1, 11, and one thing, we should separate the first and second statement using comma and print I. This example prints the number from 1 to 10. Now we have got our desired output. It prints from 1 to 10. That's what we wanted. If I want to print a range of numbers from 1 to 10 and I want to iterate it, I will use another statement inside the range. In this simple program, it will print the numbers from 1 to 10. But due to the third statement, it will print 1, then 3, leaving behind 2. Now let us see the output. Yeah, this is what we wanted. It printed the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So guys, let us do some program on for loop. Today's problem is a multiplication table. It is quite simple. We need to write only 3 lines. So let's start making it. The first statement, a is equal to int input and enter a number, asks the user to give an input. And here comes the for loop. For I in range 1 and 11 means it will print the numbers from 1 to 10. You know, this is not a simple for loop program. We are not printing I, we are printing a, the number which the user given, and multiplied by I, that means the for loop, equal to a into I, that means the number into I. Yes guys, this is what we wanted. The computer asked me to give an input. I gave 45. Then it gave the output as the multiplication table of 45 from 1 to 10. And now you guys know all about for loop. And that's it for today's video guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to share this channel. And if you have any doubts, leave in the comment box. And bye bye.